Hello there, welcome to this video. If you're here, I've got something really cool for you today. It's going to be a brief video because I've got a lot to cover, but this will ultimately solve the problem with competing with everyone else. So if you've tried affiliate marketing, if you're feeling down in the dumps, maybe you can't get ranked, maybe you feel there's too much competition, or maybe you just want a really cool way where you can actually pick products and make sales. This makes your efforts far more targeted, far easier to rank, and far less competition. So I'm going to explain it to you, and what I wanted to do is just give you two different niches from two different areas, one from ClickBank, one from Amazon affiliates, and explain the niches, but more importantly how you can target keywords that will actually get you ranked. And once you understand this one thing, you're going to want to watch the video, because once you get this one thing, it makes any niche that you go into easier to rank, easier to make sales, and it's like a domino effect, because if it's more targeted, you're making more sales and you need less traffic to do it. So I'm really excited to show you. Do like, do subscribe. Also, if you like this video, you will love the tag team webinar that I'm putting on. So I've put the link below. I won't talk too much about this, but do check out the page. It's in the description. I'm actually doing a live webinar where I'm giving you two red hot niches and all the content. So bear in mind, the two niches I give live in the webinar will be different ones than I'm going to show now. And in the webinar, I'm going to go far more in depth into this actual method and give you all of the content and give you a live follow along. So if you've ever worried about implementing this stuff and actually putting it into practice, it will really help you, because it's paint by numbers. You'll be able to join the webinar and you'll be able to follow through, and you've got everything you need. You'll have the niches, all the content done for you, and you will get a live follow along exactly how to set it up. So do join that. It's ridiculously inexpensive. The link's below in the description. There's a video that explains everything you get here, and I'd love to have you in on the webinar. There's a few spots left. It's taking place on Saturday the 17th. I couldn't see the date then. August the 17th, so it's taking place on Saturday here, August the 17th. Do get your spot if you're interested and you like this video. So let's get straight into the video. Here we go. Okay, so let's start with ClickBank. I want to show you how easy this is, okay, and where a lot of people trip up on niches. So what I've done with ClickBank is I've gone to the marketplace and I've just gone straight to the top offers. Now, you don't have to go for a top offer, but a lot of people worry about this, and they go, if I go for a top offer, there's going to be far too much competition. That's not normally the case. What it is everyone's tripping over themselves promoting under the same things, whether it be the product name or the same keywords. I'm going to show you a method today where you can get keywords that are actually more targeted, where you have far less competition, and you will actually get far more sales. So the first product that I'm going to show you is Java Burn. And the reason I wanted to go for one of the most popular offers on ClickBank is to show you that this works with any product, no matter how competitive. So that's the product from ClickBank. I'll just show you the one from Amazon I've got for you. So the one I've got from Amazon for Amazon affiliates is orthopedic mattresses. But I'm going to show you something that you can do with Amazon affiliates right now that will again get rid of competition, make sure that you get a really great niche, and make sure that you get sales and you're not having to compete with everyone. So when you select your niches from Amazon, bear in mind, go for the best sellers. Okay, now it's got an option here in the top right where you can actually sort by the best sellers. And the other thing that you can do is down here you can adjust the price. I haven't actually done it on this, but you can make sure if you only want products over $200, $300, $400, you can toggle that around. The niche I've gone for is mattresses, but I've done something specific here. I've gone for orthopedic mattresses, and the reason that I did that with Amazon is because people buy for reasons. So this is an intro into the method. I'm going to get into the good stuff now, so bear with me. People are always buying for reasons, whether it's ClickBank, whether it's Amazon. They're normally buying to enhance their lifestyle or solve a problem. I highly recommend that if you go for a niche and you're starting out, go for products or solutions. Okay, ClickBank, go for products on ClickBank that solve problems. Amazon, go for products that solve problems. And that makes your keyword research so much easier. And I'm actually going to show you the good stuff now. And for both of these niches, Java Burn and orthopedic mattresses, I'm going to give you an AI prompt that you can use that allows you to get really, really great keywords, and I'm going to back it up by showing you the amount of searches that these terms get. So the two niches are Java Burn and orthopedic mattresses. Okay, so let's get into what to type into AI, ChatGPT, to get really, really great keywords, so you're not having to compete with everyone else. That means that if you're using SEO, you're going to rank quicker. If you're using pay-per-click, there's going to be less competition, and it's going to be laser targeted. So here we go. Okay, so I've kept this prompt deliberately simple and deliberately without, really making sure it's perfect, because I want to show you that you can use a prompt like this. You don't have to use the exact one. The prompt is to get your keywords, and I've used Java Burn as the example here. I want you to give me a keyword cluster for this product from ClickBank, and I've copied the URL in and then put the name Java Burn. I want you to focus on different clusters that will give the main keywords people type in and the reasons they are buying. So what are the top 5 reasons someone would buy Java Burn? What results are they looking for? What health conditions are they looking to solve? Focus on keywords that people are searching for that are laser targeted. Do you understand? And it said yes, I understand, and it started giving me keywords. Now check this out. Weight loss. Now everyone's going to promote Java Burn under weight loss because that's its primary purpose, okay? But look at this. I've asked for the top 5 reasons why someone would buy this product, and it's also got increased metabolism, okay, metabolism booster, energy and focus, blood sugar control, overall health, antioxidants, don't know if I've said that right, for wellness, for immune support. So you've got lots of different angles that you can go into there that aren't packed with competition. Look, Java Burn glucose metabolism, control blood sugar with Java Burn. So that it's a way that you can actually get into a niche even with a very competitive product and find keywords that people are typing in that are laser targeted, but you're not having to compete with everyone. And a little tip for you as well, you could grab some of these keywords if you're still unsure, and you could go and set up a very cheap pay-per-click campaign on Bing, on Microsoft Ads, and you could just run a few of these keywords like Java Burn blood sugar support, blood sugar regulation, and you would see that you start to get targeted traffic through and sales as well without having to compete with everyone else. So you could do that even before you do SEO. It's also given me what results they're looking for. So number 1 is weight loss. That's what everyone's going to promote this product under. Then you've got sustained energy levels, then enhanced metabolism, then stable blood sugar, and then long-term health benefits. So we've got stable blood sugar, enhanced metabolism, and sustained energy levels. 3 or 4 areas there that not everyone's going to promote under, that are getting searches and will get you sales and results for a very, very popular product. Okay, then you've got health conditions they're looking to solve. Obesity and overweight, well, we know that, okay, so that's going to be very competitive. But look, diabetes and blood sugar issues, chronic fatigue or low energy, and you can build an informative site around these areas and make sure that you actually get ranked without all of the competition. So that's the prompt to use. Pause the video, make a copy of that, and I'll show you the mattresses, so the niche from Amazon. Here we go. So then I asked ChatGPT, now do the same as above but for orthopedic mattresses, focusing on keywords and reasons people buy. I want there to be searches and low competition. And here we go. Top 5 reasons someone would buy an orthopedic mattress: back pain relief, improved sleep quality, joint pain and arthritis, spinal alignment, durability and longevity for the actual mattress. But look, spinal alignment, joint pain and arthritis, joint pain in the knee, joint pain in the foot, joint pain in the hands, joint pain in the elbows. You've got a lot of areas there that you can target. and arthritis as well, knee, back, neck, and so on. And then you've got for better sleep and for deep sleep and so on. And these orthopedic mattresses are more expensive, and you're targeting the actual people that are looking for them. Pain-free mornings, sleep quality, long-term comfort, better posture, investment in health. And what health conditions are they looking to solve? You've got chronic back pain, arthritis, scoliosis and spine issues, fibromyalgia, hip and shoulder pain. So you've got all of these where you're not having to compete. You're not just going for orthopedic mattress, best orthopedic mattress. You're targeting specific people, specific health issues, and obviously make sure that they're paired with a good product. But you see what I mean. And there's searches. Let me show you this quickly. Okay, so I used Ubersuggest for this just because I know it's not entirely accurate. Sometimes this is a bit off, but I just wanted to show you this as a quick example. Orthopedic mattress for back pain. And you can see best mattress for back pain on a budget, 1,300 searches. Best mattress for back pain and neck pain, 1,300. Orthopedic mattress for back pain, 590. So what is an orthopedic mattress? Only 32 in terms of search difficulty. Okay. Orthopedic pillow for lower back pain. So you've got another area there. So if you take them, just as an example, those two niches, but you apply it to any niche that you're looking at. The key thing is, I'll just show you on ChatGPT again. The key thing is, for any niche, think about the problems that it solves and start off by going for niches that solve big problems. Then use this prompt and get an idea of what results are they looking for, what health conditions are they looking to solve, or what problems are they looking to solve, and focus on keywords that people are searching for that are laser targeted. Then ChatGPT will give you some great ideas. Verify it through a good keyword tool. Then you don't have to compete with everyone else. Trial it with pay-per-click if you don't want to go straight into SEO, and that way you can pretty much promote any product without having to compete with everybody else. So I hope you enjoyed that. Do like, do subscribe if you did. I'd really appreciate it. And if you really like this video, do join us for the tag team webinar taking place Saturday, August the 17th. Click the link below, get yourself in, and you'll get 2 niches in depth, so it's not the same niches, and I'm going to be giving you all the content and a live follow along, exactly how to set it all up and get ranked and make sales. So I look forward to seeing you in there. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers guys.